This is DJ Mutati exclusive.
Hi lovely viewers, it's me again, your one and only Mutati Mpundu. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time on my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more great content every week. Don't forget to leave a comment. Tell me what you think about this video in the comment section below. I'll be super glad to hear from you lovely viewers.
Edgar Lungu was very foolish. He was very pompous and arrogant. I gave him a lot of opportunity. He was going to win this election landslide. If he was listening and acting exactly what I was saying, the same way HH was listening and acting, he was going to win this election. Before election, 2 years before the election, I told them to say this election will be decided by the youths. The youths are going to decide who is going to be the president. Forget about this thing of ZNBC. The youths don't have time to watch ZNBC. Forget about this thing of going to deliver meal and giving this. Old people that day of election, they may not come and vote. The youths are going to be the people that will vote. I said it. I even gave a statistics. I said, you go to Zikta. Edgar Lungu, if you had the power to command Zikta to switch off internet on the day of election, you had the power to tell them to give you statistics. How many people are using internet in Zambia? When you see somebody like Siawan is speaking during the election and 30,000 people are watching, in 3 days time, those 30,000 people translate to 3 million people watching. All of them were hearing what I was saying. All of them believe everything that I said. All of them heard everything that I said. Everything that I said. 3 million people per week watching Siawan. I told you that these are the people that will decide what is going to happen. And the many other people that we are watching, you didn't do it. It was only when you discover that when election was already approaching, you discover that it's true. Youths are on social media. They are listening to Siawan. They are listening to Alice. They are listening to OC. They are listening to Honorable Kevin. Honorable Kevin. They are listening to all these other youths, that are speaking. They are listening to them. Then you went and start working with Mwebantu. It was already late. It was already late. I'm telling you, it was already late. And you started paying Smart Ego every day. Then you say Vitarale. It was already late. People already decided before those things came. If you listen to me that time, the only thing you did was to go and speak to my government. Then my government started threatening me. But I don't fear. I don't know what fear look like. You can threaten what you want, but there is nothing you can do. It didn't work. I gave free advice. You didn't listen. You didn't listen. You didn't listen. You believed from your side that you knew everything. All the people that were stealing with you, they were telling you, forget about it. Forget about it. Nothing is going to happen. Nothing is going to happen. Today, what happened? The youths heard us. Everything we say, we told them when you vote, don't leave the place. Protect your vote. They voted and they protected their vote. I told them, go and vote in number. They came and they voted in number. Everything we said, they listened to us. While we are busy deceiving yourself in ZNBC and deceiving yourself in these other places, youths already decided from social media. I can't tell them I won an election from social media. Mao Sampa is what he is today because of social media. You underrated everything because you believe that you are wise. You believe that you had the power. You had everything. The money that you stole, Edgar Lungu, the billions that you stole together with your daughter Tasila and others blinded you. You thought that you had everything. And you thought that you were going to rig this election. I told you from the beginning to say, you are not going to manage to rig this election. I said it. You didn't listen to me. If you were wise, you were going to make an amendment. I'm telling you. You were going to make an amendment. And believe me, I don't want to say something now. It's too early. But You yourself as PF destroyed your party. You yourself as PF will build your party. Stop running away and running to UPND. Where you are now, sit down among yourself. Start going from province to province, province to province, and start asking people to forgive you. Ask people to forgive you. Ask the people of Zambia to forgive you. Instead of you running up and down, where are you running to? There is nothing. Me, I can never in my life allow a church to accept you there. We are going to turn against him. We are going to fight him. We are going to make his leadership ungovernable. There is no room for you there. All you have to do is to go and start begging the people of Zambia. Say, I'm sorry, I'm sorry, I'm sorry. And start preparing for 2026. See, one, is it possible? You know, there is no party that has ever lost the election and came back. It's true. There is no party that have lost the election and came back. It's true. I want to ask you a question. Has a Tonga person ruled Zambia before? No. This is the first time a Tonga person is ruling Zambia. There is possibility that if a party that was loved by the people reorganize themselves, bring back what they stole, and apologize to the people, there is a possibility that they will come back. In this world, there is nothing like impossibility. Anything can happen.
Alright, that's all for you today, lovely viewers. If you did enjoy the video, please don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section below. Tell me what you think about the video you just watched in the comment section below. I'll be super glad to hear from you, lovely viewers. Once again, I go by the name of Mutati Mpundu. I love you, peace, I gotta go.